السلام علیکم، آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں ٹی وی 49 نیوز یوکے اور میں ہوں منیر پیرزادہ۔ آئیے آپ کو لے چلتے ہیں آج کی خبر کی جانب۔ APPSUK کے بانی اور ٹرسٹی ڈاکٹر محمد اقبال وومن ایمپاورمنٹ گروپ کے چئرمین ڈاکٹر عندليپ يوسف، ڈاکٹر کوثر اقبال اور ارم طاہر کی کووڈ-19 وومن ایمپاورمنٹ اور کمیونٹی سروس پر ٹی وی 49 نیوز سے خصوصی گفتگو۔
Our contribution starts from women empowerment, and you can see Iram, Tahir, Andleep, Kausar, Iqbal, and Mr. Iqbal over here. And APPSUK Foundation is doing an amazing work. We were not only active before the COVID, but during the COVID, our job was enhanced to make sure that the people who are deprived of food are getting food, prescriptions, essentials. Not only this, but we are also involved with upper limb and lower limb prosthesis. We are involved with the sewing centers. We are involved with the lives but not knives, communication, talented programs, and to teach the students who cannot afford to pay. Now, Iram Tahir is running the book show so that we are promoting literature over here. Andleep is promoting the upper and lower limb prosthesis, and now we have Kausar Iqbal, who is the top-notch clinical negligence solicitor in this country, and she has just recently joined us. But she is so active, mashallah. I'm so proud of her as well. You see, APPSUK Foundation is a 0% admin charity which depends upon the volunteers to do its job, and mashallah, we are progressing every day better and better. Yeah, during the COVID, we were showing the videos, how to stay safe, how to be at home. We can enjoy many things at home. We were not used to this kind of staying at home culture. But during the COVID, we have learned that we can do it to stay safe for our own safety, for the safety of the community, for the safety of the country. And during that period of time, we released a lot of videos. And mashallah, I'm so proud of my colleagues as well who have done such a good work. There were videos for the vaccination, there were videos for the safety, there were videos about the COVID itself, there were videos about the Omicron. So you can imagine that we have worked day and night to make sure our community remains safe. The infection is not transmitted to many people, and we have succeeded, mashallah, I must say that.
We have been locked up for almost 2 years now. So having a good time promoting Pakistani culture, art. So just that.
COVID restriction and are gone now almost, yeah. So what will be your advice for the public?
I still say to the people, however, it's the government and political reasons, and obviously in the broader spectrum they are talking about removing all the restriction, but I want and I emphasize, so we should have to be self-aware, and we should have to be, still the virus is circulating and different part of world still going on, and I think the peak is rising in Asian countries, and obviously we have a communication, people are coming and going. So I advise everyone to be, obviously stay in a distance and still wear the mask, and try to use the same precautions for hygiene as well. So self-awareness and be cautious is the most important thing. We should still carry on. Andleep, and I'm chair of APPSUK Foundation Women Empowerment Group as well. So our charity is the part of APPSUK Foundation Trust, and we work in a different aspects for the empowerment of women, not only here in UK but also in Pakistan as well, in different aspects. So one of them is I want to earn not bag projects, sewing projects, upper limbs projects, as Dr. Iqbal has told you. So our main aim is wherever we are, we will work, and inshallah we had worked previously to enhance the name of Pakistan in every part of the world.
So are you happy? All the people that are getting together, so what would you like to say?
I think it's up to the individuals, but I would say, and I'm saying to my family and friends and everybody around me, please carry on with cautious. Enjoy your life, carry on as normal as possible, but at the same time, wash your hands, keep the distance, some basic measures, please do carry on.
Viewers, as you can see that a few doctors was with me, and they were saying that although the restrictions are gone, but we have to still take the safety measurements, and we need to keep safe ourselves and our families, and we should wear the mask and keep the distance for the other peoples. So keep watching TV 49 News, Manchester, UK. Mian, Aamir Ali.